I want to take you through a simple guide for setting up your factory for RoboCell. Before we can actually program the robotic arm in RoboCell, we have to create a factory in Cell Setup. So these two programs are compatible. They're actually the same program. And so we're going to start by opening Cell Setup. And we're going to add a robot with no slide base. We're going to add a table 1,000 by 1,000, and we're going to add a cube 40 by 40 by 40. And we're going to position that cube in X400Y0. So we're going to go to Cell Setup. All right. So when you go to Cell Setup, you're going to see this blank screen when you start with a file, and new file, new factory. It says we need, so this is a list of everything you have available. We're going to start with a new robot. So we'll need to double click on this folder. We're going to use the ER4U robot, which is what we have in our lab. Double click. We do not want a slide base, so we're going to say OK. And it'll automatically place the robot in the center of this simulation area of the factory. Now, you can learn to manipulate the factory by, if you roll the mouse wheel, it will tilt the factory over so you can kind of see a horizontal view. If you hold the right mouse button down, you can actually twist and you can zoom in to get a better view with the right mouse button. So play around with the mouse on how this works. We also need to add a table, so that's under General. Double click on Table, and again, we want to change the size in millimeters to 1,000 by 1,000 as per the instructions. And you have some choice here on what color you make your table. So you can pick whatever color you want and then click OK. And this little cursor will turn into an arrow, and you kind of move this about where you think the table should be. Click. And notice the table didn't come in exactly right, so then I can come and grab the drag object command, and I can actually move this table around. Now, to make sure I've got the robot centered on the table, I'm going to roll over the top of it so I can see that I want my robot near the back of the table and the workspace out here in front. And so there we go. I got my robot sitting on a table. And finally, we need a cube to pick in place. So we're going to double click on Material. We're going to double click on Cube. You can change the color. You can change the material, and it's already 40 by 40 by 40 by default. Click OK. And then we're going to drop that cube about where we think it should be. However, for this to work, we have to properly place this cube in the exact XY coordinates. And so 0, 0, 0 will be the center base of the robotic arm automatically. So if we come in, if we zoom in here and we actually double click on the cube, we can rename it, we can rotate it, or we can give it a position. So the X position was 400 millimeters out from the center of the robot, and 0 in the Y, meaning it's right on the center line. And so that automatically moves the cube to where it needs to be. So once you get your factory built, this is all that's required for the cell setup. You're going to go up here and do a file save. And you want to make sure I would go ahead and just save it under the folder that comes up, because it's going to be able to find it easier. And I would name this Factory A. I'm going to go ahead and name mine A21, just so I know this is 2021 factory, and I'm going to click OK. And so once you have created the factory, you're done with cell setup. You can simply close cell setup now, and then you're ready to go on down to step 4, which is the RoboCell software and actually the programming.